Look, after passing that net, it sped right up. Right now, it's accelerating, still speeding up over 20 and still climbing. Are you sure we should go this fast here? Hitting 25, this section is slightly wider. And it immediately punches the gas. I have to keep my eyes on this 360 camera. That's the only way I don't feel stressed. But man, this spot is insanely tough. These weeds on both sides. I feel like they're blocking its view. Yeah, causing interference. Oncoming tricycle up ahead. This is gonna be a rough pass. Whoa, 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 whoa. How are we supposed to get through here? Bro, tell me how we navigate this. It's yielding to these cars. Let's pull up the 360. Let's pull up the SR map. It's taking it slow. Both sides are super obstructed. Terrified someone or something might dart out. Keeping the speed under 10 kilometers per hour. This is honestly a super smart play. Alright, making the turn. Look, once it clears the turn and sees the path. Slight acceleration. Watch the path. Obstacle ahead. That's what it said. Alright. Speed is back over 10. It's a little wider here. Look, narrowing down again. Plus 2 cars parked right there. It has to be insanely careful. Being so cautious, but it hasn't stopped completely. Actually speeding up now. Some weeds on the left. Yo, let's open the 360 cam and check. Look at this wall. It's blocking so much. Oh my god, I feel like on the left. The right side is literally hugging the wall. Whoa. Look at these 2 cars. They are totally blocking our line of sight too. Paused again. Yeah, it's stopping to assess. Stopped, and says, drive carefully. You think it lost the route? Let's see. Go left. Seems like it's scared to move. Let's see what it does. Kinda. Looks like it can't find the path, but it's not sure if it can make the turn. Wants to go. Give it a little gas. Oh. Still found the right path. I tapped the gas a bit, and then it just confidently drove off. But real talk, roads like this, better to just drive manually. This is just flexing its absolute limits. Still super sketchy here. Wider now. Road widened up. Still sketchy though. Oh my god, look at this turn. Hey, if you aren't paying attention to your tires, you could easily drop right into that ditch. I feel like wow. How do we pass cars here? Let's wait for them to pass. We'll go after they clear. Yeah, exactly. Smart choice here. Man, I felt like just now I can finally breathe again. Once the road gets a bit easier, it immediately speeds up. This was seriously way too hard. Way too hard. Right turn again here. Turning left. Left turn. Should be smoother sailing from here, but here. Look, speed drops again. Moving super slow. Scanning, since there are blind spots on both sides. Handled perfectly. Oh man, deep breath of relief. After surviving that last stretch. Honestly feels like a breeze. Zero mental burden left. Subscribe CXF, seriously impressive.